Hello everyone. Again, I'm now going to configure Facebook OAuth2 access. So I'm going to go to my meta for Facebook and I don't have any applications. So I'm going to create an app just as Nelly showed us in the video. I'm going to say create app, display the app contact email is there already. I'm going to write learning together with Robert, which is for consistency because that's what I have. I'm going to click on next. And here I can see that there are different use cases. In this case, I'm going to use authenticate and request data from users with Facebook login. Our most common use case, a secure, fast way for users to log into your app or game and for the app to ask permissions to access their data to personalize their experience. So that's the one. I'm going to click there. I'm going to say next. Then it says, which business portfolio do you want to connect to this app? Connect a verified business portfolio to your app to get access to third-party user and business data. So I don't want to connect a business portfolio yet. And so I'm going to click next. It says the app name, the app email, authenticate, no business, and go to dashboard. So I'm going to click on go to dashboard. So I've added my password so that I can continue, submit. Customization and requirements. So customize the authenticate and request data user. So it seems like I'm going to have to go through all of this. I'm going to go to settings. And this page looks very different from the page on the video shared on the course. So I imagine it is because the video is 5 years old in this one, so many things have changed possibly. Here it says easily add Facebook login to your app with our quick start. So I'm just gonna click on that quick start that you can see on both sides and see what happens. Let's see. Use the quick start to add Facebook login to your app. Get started to select the platform for this app. This app is going to be on the web. So the URL, I imagine, is that one here, which was mentioned in the video. So I'm going to copy it here. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to continue and let's see, it's a quick start. So next, okay, next, I imagine that I can come back to that. Next steps, because you've added Facebook login to your website. Be sure to check out our other pages for more advanced guides. So let's check if this is so. Let's go back to our website, the sandbox. I'm going to log out and I don't see the Facebook login here. No, I cannot see it here. Login. Here's the course. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video to see what's happening. Okay, so I'm back. It does not seem to work that way with the quick start. I cannot see. I added web, so I don't know if it should be something different. At this stage, I don't want to try because I'm not 100% sure. When going back to the settings and looking at the video, what's done in the video, I can see that there's no privacy policy URL anywhere here. Let's see, I'm gonna watch it again, but I'm finding it difficult to follow the video that looks completely different and then trying to see where that matches what's here. I'm gonna pause the video now. Okay, at 7:35 in the video, there is a similar screen to this one. So I'm just going to basically make sure that it looks like this. And then I'm going to add the valid OAuth redirect URIS here as it is in the video. So basically it says yes to client authentication, yes to enforce, no, no, yes. And now here, I'm just going to add the same one that appears in the video. We have here, teach to share.org/admin/OAuth to callback.php, and let's see what happens. Okay, so I now have that ID. Let's see if that works. I'm going to click to copy, and then I'm going to go into the site administration and plugins. And I'm going to scroll down all the way to authentication and look for the OAuth2, which is not outside. Let's see if maybe I've missed it. Authentication, I imagine. So let's have a look. Oh, here it is. So OAuth2 is not enabled. So let's see what we need to do. And so what we're going to do is we're going to enable it by clicking on it. So it is now enabled. Now we're going to go to the site administration and we're going to search OAuth2. And as in the video, we have two. We're going to go into the services. So now we're going to set up Facebook. Click on Facebook, the client ID that I had copied, and the client secret. So we're going to go back. So I don't know if this is going to be able, I'm going to be able to do that. I found the basic app settings, which is we're in a different place. And so I am now able to get the app secret. So I'm gonna show it here so that I can, yes, it's gonna ask me for my ID, and I'm just gonna copy it. I'll blur it in the video so you can see, and then I'm just gonna go back at my client secret finally, and we'll see what happens now. And we're going to save the changes and let's see what happens. I'm going to log out because now it says Facebook added successfully. So it should show log out, log in. Oh my God. Log in using your account on Facebook. Yes. This was, it took me so long, but it is wonderful to be able to see that I manage. I'm just going to log in normally. And let's see. Good. I'm back on the site. Okay. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.